Hello everyone, my name is Elke and I'm the Chief Play Officer at Kong Academy, and I just started a movement group, The Joy of Movement, for midlife women, so for women over 40. Last time I made a video that focused on our feet, because we use our feet all day long and we hardly ever include them in any kind of exercises. Today I want to do something else that we use every single day and we never really do much for it, which is our hands, or better, our wrists. So we use our wrists all day long for everything, whether it's brushing our teeth, or typing on a keyboard, or doing the dishes, or carrying the little ones. And again, we hardly ever do anything for our wrists. So today I just want to show you some super simple exercises where you don't even have to get out of your chair, that you can do when you have a work break or after doing the dishes, just kind of quickly a minute or two, to give some love and attention to your wrists. So we start with something super simple. We interlace our fingers and we just roll our wrists super slowly. One of the things I don't think is very beneficial if you do this, because that doesn't do anything. So just really do it super slowly and go to all the corners and edges and just kind of see how it feels. We do that both ways, and you can literally do that as often as you want. You can do 5 reps or 50 reps depending on the need and the time you have. The next exercise I want to share with you is the waves. So it's where you keep your fingers interlaced, and what I do is it's like one hand drags the other one up and down. So there's always one hand that's more active than the other. And again, do it really slowly so you can see my wrists are really moving. And then just do it the other way. Up and down and up and down. Good. And again, you can do it as often as you want. This is something else that I really like, is pushing your palms together and then turning them down. So nothing moves, so you're not moving your shoulders. Your shoulders are staying completely immobile, so they don't move. You just move your hands up and down and keep your palms together. So don't open them up anywhere, they stay together. And the last one, which is actually my favorite, is very similar to this one. We put the back of our hands together and we push our elbows down without opening up our wrists. So our wrists stay together, the elbows go down, and that is a fantastic stretch here. So this part I can really feel a great stretch. And I just realized, there's one more. I thought it was going to be 4, but it's 5. The last one is we just keep our wrists together. Do that from the side. I don't know if you can see that any better. Our wrists stay together and we just roll our hands around our wrists. And again, don't do it like this because you won't be able to feel anything and it's all over the place. Just do it really slowly. And we have 2 sides. We can do that one side and now the other. Just roll your wrists, roll your hands around your wrists, and the wrists stay together. And those are 5 very quick exercises to strengthen your wrists, to give them more mobility, and I'm doing that pretty much every day, several times, and it really made a big difference. So not so long ago, my wrists were really weak, and I also think inflamed because I put a lot of pressure on them without giving them any love and attention. So eventually they got upset and they were so inflamed that I went to we went to, what's that water park, Great Wolf Lodge. We went to the Great Wolf Lodge, and when I was sitting on the water slides, I couldn't actually push myself off the water slide because my wrists were so painful that I couldn't put any pressure on. And now that I'm doing those regularly, like at least once a day, my wrists are so much better. It really makes a huge difference. So try them. Your next computer break, or after putting the baby down, or once you've got the dishes done, just kind of try and give some love and attention to your wrists. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.